Okay, so we'll start. Write down maxima, minima. The next topic is maxima and minima. Maxima and minima. Yeah, that's what I am thinking. I think it just started. Just show me which are the questions I had solved. F of x I took and then we solved some numericals, huh? Increasing, decreasing is done, no? Okay, fine. No problem, we'll do it. No. Okay, fine. Write down. Put the heading maxima and minima. So, what is maxima, minima? So, if suppose any curve is there, let it be y versus x curve. Let it be this kind of curve it is. So, as you can see, these curves are increasing sometimes decreasing, right? So, here curve is increasing, then decreasing. So, one point will be there which is maximum compared to the neighborhood, correct? Similarly, here another point is there, just see graph is decreasing and after that it is started increasing. Another point is there where minimum value you will get. So, if this type of curve is there, maximum, if this type of curve is there, minimum. Same way here also maximum will be there, here also minimum will be there, right. So, wherever maximum minima points are there, no, these points we called as critical points. So, let it be I am saying that at A, B, C, D, all these points are critical points. What is critical points? Point at which either maximum or minimum you will get, right. So, which are those points as per this graph? A, B, C, D, 4 points are there. Out of these 4 points, I can say A and C is the point of maxima and B and D is the point of minima, correct. Now, so this I will be writing what is the maxima point. So, maxima point will be x is equal to A and x is equal to B, not B, x is equal to C. What about minima point? So, here I will write minima point. Minima point will be x is equal to B and x is equal to D. So, 2 maxima point is there, 2 minima point is there. Now, out of this 2 maxima, which will be the maximum one? So, this is the maximum value, right, corresponding to this, just see, yes or no. So, out of the maximum value, let it be 2 maxima is there, out of that, so one will be global maxima and one will be local maxima. So, this name of this particular value is called global maxima. And what is this? Yes, it is maxima, but it is local maxima. Yes or no? What is the meaning of local maxima? Out of these 2 maximum, whichever is the maximum is called global, right? And whichever is lesser one, we will say local. Same way here, this is minimum value, right? And this is also minimum value, but this is the minimum like list value. So, that is called global minima, that is called local minima. I hope you understood. Right. So, out of 4, 5, only one global maxima will be there, but 2, 3 local minima can be. Understood? Now, mathematically how to calculate those points. So, here in this particular chapter our target will be to get to know that A, B, C, D points where maximum minima point will be there. That is the first question. Second will be once you got to know that okay, these are the point of maxima, what is the maximum value, right, because function will be there. Once you know that A is the point of maxima, put A into the function. Put B into the function, C into the function, you will get maximum minimum value, right. So, under this chapter we will be trying to calculate critical points. Second, I will try to calculate maximum and minimum value, right. Let me solve one question. So, here some steps will be there, that steps you have to follow. I hope you understood, right. Do you want to note it down? Not first. Now, I will take any particular functions and then we will try to calculate what is the maximum minimum value, right. So, let me take one question. Done? Now write down. Done? Now, so suppose in the question it will be let it be like this, y is equal to f of x is there, any f of x will be there, x cube something will be there. Our target is to calculate the maximum and minimum value. Calculate the maximum and minimum value. Suppose this is the target. So, some steps will be there, we will be following those steps. So, one by one I will be writing. First, step 1, what you will be calculating, differentiate the dy by dx, f dash x you calculate, put this value is equal to 0. So, definitely some points you will get, right. Let it be those points is x is equal to a, x is equal to b, x is equal to c, right. So, some points you will get, if you differentiate dy by dx is equal to 0, some points will be there, x is equal to a, x is equal to b, these points we called as critical points. Critical points means either this point a, b, c will be point of maxima or point of minima, like last case I had drawn, no, a, b, c, d. So, these are those points, right. Differentiate it, put equal to 0. So, some value of x you will get where it will be maxima or minima. Now, second thing what you have to do, double differentiation you calculate, d square y upon dx square, or here I will write f double dash x, correct, and I will be checking one by one. If it is suppose at x is equal to a, so I will be checking if f double dash x at a, if this expression value is less than 0, then that particular point is called point of maxima. Have you studied this thing? Then x is equal to a is point of maxima. And if suppose f double dash any particular critical point b you are getting greater than 0, then what I will say, x is equal to b is point of minima, correct. Suppose you are getting like this, x is equal to c is equal to 0, means what I will say, now you can't comment whether it is point of maxima or point of minima. So, this particular point is called point of inflection. Point of inflection means curve will change their concavity. If it is concave upward, it will become concave downward, or vice versa. So, this too you remember. Once you got to know that x is equal to a is point of maxima, what is the maximum value then? So, third step will be f of x maximum value. How to calculate maximum value? So, f at a will be the maximum, because you know that at a you are getting maximum value. Similarly, f b you calculate minimum value you will get, right. So, these are the steps. First step is differentiate it, put equal to 0, you will get sum of the critical points. Second one is double differentiate it, check whether it is point of maxima or point of minima, correct. If you solve this, you will get to know that which are the point of maxima, minima is there. After that, substitute those value in this, right, write down. Let me solve one question, same theory. Already I think this I discussed, no, yesterday. Now, question number 20th, all of you try to solve. Question number 20, page number 20.4, 20. Same method every time I will be applying. Wherever maxima, minima we have to calculate, we should apply the same method. Is it done? 20, 20. Where were you yesterday? Didn't come? Why? Not well. Let me solve one question, then you can solve by yourself. Done, no? Now, let me solve, write fast. Now, give me the question. We have to calculate the maximum value or minimum value of the function y is equal to what is given x square minus 8x plus 17. X belongs to real number, that is fine. Just here how to calculate. So, y is equal to f of x, some value we have, right. So, what is the first step to calculate whether what is the critical point, yes or no. So, the step 1 will be calculate dy by dx. What is dy by dx? 2x minus 8 put equal to 0, right. So, from here what you will get, x value you will get, x is equal to 4, 8 will go that side, divide by 2, 8 by 2 is 4, x is equal to 4 is the critical point. Now, check whether it is maxima or minima, since only one point is there. So, whatever they are asking, that should be that only, right. But still you can check also, d square y upon dx square, how much it will be? 2. Is it greater than 0 or less than 0? Greater than 0. Means whatever point is there, that point is called, x is equal to 4 is point of maxima or minima? Point of minima. Why minima? If it is greater than 0, we know, don't do that mistake. Greater means maximum. No, greater means minimum. Max is there behind that, right? We shouldn't go into that. Once you got to know that x is equal to 4 is point of minima, what is the minimum value? So, y minimum I want to calculate. How to calculate? Y at 4, yes or no? Y at x is equal to 4. So, put x is equal to 4 here. So, 4 square minus 8 into 4 plus 17. What it will be? 16 minus 32 plus 17. If you add, how much it will be? 33, I think, correct? 33 minus 32, 1. So, 1 is the minimum value of this expression, correct? So, what is the minimum value of this expression? 1. Other value of this will be greater than this. So, if I will draw the graph of this, no. So, rough diagram of this will be like this, x versus y graph. At x is equal to 4, we are getting minimum value. What is that minimum value? That minimum value is nothing but plus 1. So, graph will be something like this. Just see. At x is equal to 4, you are getting like this type of slope, curve it is, right. Minimum value. Other than that, all values are maximum. So, what is the first step? Differentiate it, put equal to 0, you will get critical points. Double differentiate it to check that whether that point is maxima or minima. Since here only one point is there, so whatever they are asking, accordingly they will be asking, correct. If more than one point will be there, no, then this checking step will be very significant. By that you will get to know, okay, maxima or minima, because critical point will give you both maxima as well as minima, right. Yes or no? Now, should we solve one more sum? Yes. Yes, 9th one you solve. Question number 9, then 10 you can solve. 9, 10, do it. Question number 9th, all of you will try to solve. X belongs to real number means all real numbers should be valid. So, what is that? X is equal to 4 is a real number. So, yes, it is valid. Which one? 9th one is? No. Self test it is. Yeah, 9th one from the self test, correct. 9th one from the self test. Wrote, no? I will write that. 9th one from the self test. Question is like this. The function f of x is given to you. F of x is equal to 2x cube minus 6x square plus 6x plus 5, correct. What they are asking? They are asking that what is the critical points, like what are the critical points, and you have to comment. First you calculate all those critical points, maximum minimum value. right? So here they are asking you to calculate critical points, whether those critical points is point of minima or maxima. So what I will be doing? So first step of yours will be differentiate it. So if I will differentiate it, f dash x I will calculate. How much it is? 2 into 3x square minus 6 into 2x plus 6. 5 differentiation is, so it is 6x square minus 12x plus 6. Am I right? Yes or no? Correct. So now critical point first I should calculate, right? So what common you can take? X you can take common, x square minus 2x plus 1. So this I can write 6, x minus 1 the whole square, can I say? This is nothing but x minus 1 whole square. Correct? Put equal to 0. If I will put equal to 0, what you will get from here? X minus 1 the whole square is 0, because 6 if you divide that side, no problem. X minus 1 will be 0, square root of 1 is 0 only. So means x is equal to 1. How many critical points you have? 1 and only 1. Correct? It is repeated one, no problem. Let it be repeated one. Correct? Now I should check double differentiation I should do to check whether it is point of maxima or minima. So I will do double differentiation f double dash x. Definitely you should do from here, right? How much it will be there then? 6 into 2x minus 12 into 1 plus 0. So from here 12 you can take common, x minus 1. Yes or no? Now I should substitute this point to check whether it is greater than 0, less than 0, equal to 0. So what it will be? So I will check f double dash at x is equal to 1. How much it will be? 1 minus 1. This is nothing but 0. If it is 0, it is neither positive nor negative, right? So we can't comment whether it is local maxima or local minima or maxima minima. Yes or no? So point of inflection, just check the answer. So at x is equal to 1, we can say that it is point of inflection. Is it clear? Understood? Just check the answer once. Is there? Is there? Next. So write down x is equal to 1. Since we are getting 0, hence x is equal to 1 is point of inflection. Correct? Now next question you solve, 10th one I told you to solve, right? Same type of question is there, 10th one you do it. Hey, sleeping. Go, have water and come. What you did last night? Just played PUBG game? IPL match? Hey, it will be over by 11 o'clock. After that? Yeah, 10th one, no? From the self-test, I think 9th, 10th, this same type of question is there, right? After that 16th you do. Should I explain anything in this? Understood? Where? X, this one or this one? This one. This one is nothing but a square, this is nothing but b square, and this is 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to nothing but a minus b the whole square. Do you know this formula? Which formula I am using? This one I am using, just see here. A square plus b square minus 2ab is nothing but a minus b the whole square, right? It is that same thing, just see. X square minus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square, exactly same, just see. So this is nothing but x minus 1 the whole square, so I am using this. Did you get the answer of 9th one? What is the question? 10th one? Yeah, 10th one you tell me. 3 x to the power 4 plus x to the power 4 plus 4x cube 3x to the 3x to the power 4 4x cube minus 12x square plus 12. Correct? So, this is the function. What we have to do? We have to maximize and minimize it, right? So, how to do the maximum minima of this? First step is differentiate it. So, I will be differentiating the first step, I will be differentiating f dash x. So, 3 into 4x cube 4 into 3x square minus 12 into 2x. So, 12x cube plus 12x square minus 24x. What common you can take? 12x I think I can take common, x square plus x minus 2. Can I write like this? Correct? Now, I should factorize it. So, 12 into x into this factorization we have to multiply these two, right? X square plus 2x minus x. Can I write like this? And here minus 2 is there, just see. If you add this to x will be there, multiply this to first with last it will be. So, 12 into x, from here x you take common, x plus 2 will be there, take minus 1 common, x plus 2 will be there. So, how many critical points are there? 3 critical points are there, correct? Yes or no? So, next target should be put equal to 0. So, if you put equal to 0, x is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So, from here x is equal or one more is there, right? X minus, it won't go down. So, from here what you will get? X is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0, correct? So, x will be 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 2. How many critical points you have? 3. Now, you can't judge which one is maxima, which one is minima. Who will tell me how to solve then maxima minima? How to solve? Yes, double differentiation you do. So, f double dash x I will calculate. So, f double dash of what? From here you calculate, right? It will be easy because it is multiplied. No, from here if you do u into v product rule you have to use. So, from here this statement you do. So, how much it will be? 12 into 3x square, then here it will be 12 into 2x minus 24. Can I say like that? What common I can take? I think I can take 12 common, correct? So, 3x square and here plus 2x minus 2 will be there. Now, one by one I will be putting and checking whether it is positive or negative. So, first 0 I should put. So, f double dash 0 it will be there. How much it is then? 0 plus 0 minus 2. Is it negative or positive? Negative, minus 2 plus. How much it is? We do not want. We just want whether it is less than or greater than. So, 12 into minus 2 minus 24, less than 0 it is. Less than 0 means what I can say? X is equal to 0 is point of maxima, correct? Yes or no? Similarly, f double dash at x is equal to 1 I will be checking, 1 is also there, right? Substitute 1 here. So, 12, here 3 plus 2 minus 2, just see 2 and 2 gets cancelled, 12 3s are, it is greater than 0, yes or no? Greater than 0 means x is equal to 1 is point of minima, yes or no? Correct. Next, f double dash at x is equal to minus 2 you tell me. Same thing you substitute 12 into 3 minus 2 the whole square plus 2 into minus 2 minus 2. How much it will be? 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 4 minus 6. Yes, it is also greater than 0, right? 12 minus 6 is greater than 0. So, x is equal to minus 2 is also point of minima. Now, which one is global minima, local minima? Value will tell you, right? So, if they are asking maxima point 0, minima point 1 and minus 2, both are minima point, correct? So, if suppose next question is minimum value and maximum value, how to get maximum value? Put x is equal to 0 here. So, 12 we will get, this part 0, 0, 0, 12 is the maximum value. Minimum how much? Put x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 2 in the expression. Whichever is the minimum, local minima, global minima, right? Note it down. After that you substitute those values. I hope you are getting. Only 3 steps are there, nothing more than that. Differentiate it, put equal to 0, get critical points, and once you have critical points, after that just solve the. So, here I am calculating values. I will be writing, which one I will be writing? F of 0. How much is f of 0? 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus 12. So, 12, yes, it is the maximum value, because 0 is point of maxima. F of 1, you tell me how much it will be. 1 you substitute in that, 3 plus 4 minus 12 plus 12. 12 gets cancelled, 7. F of minus 2, you tell me how much it will be. 3 into minus 2 to the power 4 plus 4 into minus 2 to the power cube minus 12 into minus 2 whole square plus 12. If you solve 2 to the power 4, 16, right? 16 into 3, 48. Yes or no? 2 2s are 4, but negative it will be 8 minus 32, 4 minus 48 plus 12. So, 48 gets cancelled. This 2 if you subtract, what it will be? Minus 1, no, minus 30, minus 20. Just see. So, if I will ask you what is the global minima, so what is the global minima? This is global minima. What is the global maxima? This is the global maxima. So, the minimum value out of this 2 is this one, right? Here we are getting 7, here minus 20. So, minus 20 is the minimum one. So, if they are asking you to calculate the global minima, minus 20 or only minimum, this is the minimum value. Fine, you just check, no. If both are correct, then no problem, that both you can say. I am just calculating all the information, right? Whichever they are asking, that you choose. All possible answer questions can, like I solved it here. Now, you just see which one they are asking. I think they are just asking which point it is, or value they are asking.
They have given statement.
What is the first statement?
Local maxima value of f is 12.
Local maxima, yeah, it is true.
Local minima values of f are 7 and minus 20.
Yeah, it's true. Both are true.
Both 1 and 12, right? Both
Yeah,
1 and 12.
correct. True, no, that's what I calculated here. Both the statement is true. Correct? Now, one word type of problems will be there. As of now, function, this function is given to you, right? Now, sometimes what they will be writing, they will be giving in the word format. Suppose some word questions will be there. From there, you have to substitute and get this value, f of x. From there, you should apply this differentiation. So, let me see one question like that. Question number 14, self test, will solve. This is called word problem 20 from the self test, yes. That is called word problem. Here also one word minima is there, minimum value, maximum value of the product. Whenever minimum, maximum point is there, now immediately you think, okay, they are asking minimum, maximum, correct? Should I move to the next slide? Let me solve that question, then done, no? Just see how to read that question very properly. Can you read, anyone read that question?
Divide 20 into 2 parts such that the product of one part and the cube of the other is maximum. The 2 parts are.
So, product of the first part, what is that? Cube of the first part and
One part is
square of the second part, right? Product of cube of the first part and square of the second part, am I right?
product of one part and cube of other part.
Product,
Product of one part and the cube of other is not.
just I will read that. Divide 20 into 2 parts, let it be 20 is there, I am dividing into x and y, right? Yes or no? X and y. So, can I say that x plus y will be nothing but 20? Yes or no? If I will be y if I will write 20 minus x, I can write. correct. If you are taking x is equal to 1, y will be 19, x is equal to 2, y will be 18, different combination will be there, right. Now we have to divide this 20 into 2 parts such that product of one part and cube of the other part, such that some functions, what is the function of x comma y, product of first part and cube of the second part, right. What we have to maximize, product of the one part and cube of other part is maximum, cube of other part is maximum. This is the function they are asking you. Product of first part means whatever is the first part and cube of the second part, right. Whatever second part is there, cube of that product, we have to maximize, minimize. Understood? So from here I can say x is equal to 1, then y will be 19, x is equal to 2, then y will be 18, different value will be there, right. Which value will be maximum of that particular quantity, 1 into 19 cube, 2 into 18 cube, 3 into something. So which one is maximum, which one is minimum, which combination I should choose, right. That is the question. Are you getting? Either manually you do x is equal to 1 value, you substitute and put that value, or you apply maxima minima concept. So whenever this type of function is there, no, first you write that function and then you just try to replace all variable in terms of 1. Here two variables are there, x and y, right. I should replace it into one variable. So you tell me how to replace. Y can be replaced from here. How I can replace y? Tell me. So this x, and here I can write 20 minus x the whole cube. Can I write like this? So every time I should replace like this. Now after that maxima minima concept I should apply. What is the maxima minima concept? I should differentiate it, right. So same thing I will be doing. So differentiate f dash x. Which formula I have to apply here? U into v rule. Yes or no? So one differentiation, this I will keep as it is, 320 minus x to the power 2 into inside differentiation. Can I write minus 1? 20 differentiation is 0, x minus x is there, so minus 1. So this I kept as it is, this differentiation is this, plus this I will be taking as it is, correct, and differentiation of x is nothing but 1. But which formula I am using? U into v rules. Whatever common you can take common. From here I think 20 minus x the whole square I can take common. Here how much it will be? Minus 3x, and here sorry minus 3x, correct, and from here plus 20 minus x. This will be remaining. Yes or no? If I solve, this will be nothing but 20 minus x the whole square, and here how much it is? 20 minus 4x. Now this I should put equal to 0 to get the critical points. Yes or no? So critical points, either this will be 0 or this will be 0. So what I will be writing? 20 minus x is equal to 0. So x will be 20. Or from here what you will get? 20 minus 4x is equal to 0. So x will be how much? 20 by 4 minus 20 actually. So 5. Correct? So what they are suggesting? First they are suggesting that either you take x 20, then y will be how much? 0. Or you take x 5, just say. So first they are suggesting either you take x 20, then y value will be 0. What is the product then that time? What is f x comma y? How much it will be? So this is nothing but 20 into 0 cube. How much it is? 0. Second one is how much? X is equal to 5, then y will be 15. So what is f x comma y? So first part is nothing but x into 15 cube. Definitely this value will be bigger than this one. So which combination you should choose of x and y? This combination you should choose. Yes or no? Again, even if you do double differentiation and so on, same answer you will get. But our thing is to get answer as soon as possible, right? So now you see the option one by one is there, 15 comma 5. Yes or no? Understood how the word problems works? First you have to write that in the format of f of x comma y, then you apply the maxima minima concept. I hope you are getting. Understood? You might have solved this in the board, no? It's very famous in board. We'll solve one more sum. Do it. Question number 12, page number 20.3, 12 and then 15, both you can solve. 12, 15. Do it. Question number 12 and then 15. Both are word problems. Done. Should I solve? Yes. What is the question? Which one I should solve? 15th one. Tell me the question. 15th. Didn't get. 15th one I should solve. Where is the maximum area of a rectangle? That one. Okay. Just before that, let me solve this one. 12th one also I told you, no? Didn't try 12th one. Got. The sum of two positive number is given. Suppose x plus y is given to you. How much? Any number you can take. Let it be 10, 20, or you can take k also. Any number it can be, right? If the sum of their cube is minimum, if the sum of their cubes. So what is function of x comma y? Sum of their cubes. Can I write like this? This is sum of their cubes, right? Or it is like this, x plus y the whole cube. No. Sum of their cubes means first you should calculate cube and then sum you should take, right? Now this we have to maximize, minimize, right? I think minimize. How to solve? So same thing, from numerator I can replace. What I will be replacing? 10 minus x the whole cube. This is function of x comma y. Yes or no? Function of x only I can say now. After that, you know, f dash x you calculate, how much it will be? 3x square, and here 3 10 minus x to the power 2 into minus 1 inside if you differentiate it. How much it will be? 3x square minus 3, here 10 minus x the whole square. I should put equal to 0 to get the critical points. How to get the critical points? From here. 3x square minus 3, how much it is? 100 plus x square minus 20x is equal to 0. I think 3x square gets cancelled if you multiply. So, what you will get here 300 minus 60 plus 60x is equal to 0. Yes, no? Yeah, minus and minus plus, right? So, from here x you will get, how much is the x? 300 divided by 60, how many times? 5 times. So, x should be 5, y how much it should be? 5. Yes or no? Because y is nothing but, if you write 10 minus x, that is 10 minus 5, 5. How is the answer? What is the, what they are suggesting? They are equal. Yes, it should be equal, right? Just 5 and 5. If you take here k and k, like that you will get k by 2, k by 2. It should be equal. Always it should be equal. Understood? Now 16th one I should solve. This is 15th. 12th. Now you should solve the next one, 15th. 15th one, all of you try to solve. I'll just try to understand first the question. 15th, what is the question? 15th, 16th. The maximum area of a rectangle that can be inscribed in a circle of radius 2 unit. So, what is given to you? It is given that one circle is there, right? So, let it be, this is the circle. They are saying that maximum rectangle or square? Square, I think, correct? Rectangle. Maximum rectangle you can fit. Let it be, this is the rectangle, yes. You can increase also, right? This much rectangle also, right? Maybe other rectangle also. So, what is the maximum rectangle which will fit here? Just see like this. Can I say like that? Means different rectangle you can fit inside a circle. So, you have to find out that what is the maximum rectangle that you can fix inside that. So, which one it is? This one I will be writing, yes or no? So, now you have to think what is given to you. It is given that what is the radius of the circle, that is given to you. Radius is 2 unit. So, if radius is 2 unit, if I will join, how much it will be? 2 and 2, 4 unit. This is diameter of the circle. So, 4 unit, this information is given 4. This is x and this is y. We do not know how much is x and y. So, what is the relation it is given? What you have to maximize? Area of the rectangle, right? Area of the rectangle. So, let it be side of the rectangle is nothing but x and y, x into y. Now, you should have one relation between x and y so that we can replace it. Like here we have one relation, no, then I replaced it. Here which relation I can use? This square plus this square is nothing but 4 square. From there y I will replace. Yes or no? Because it is a right angle triangle, x square plus y square is equal to 4 square. So, y I will get from there 4 square minus x square and root of that. Replace it, differentiate individually, you will get the answer. I hope you are getting. Try, if not I will solve. Understood? So, one circle is there, whose 2 unit it is the radius. So, now different rectangle you can fit inside that. So, they are asking what is the maximum rectangle you can fit. So, where it will be touching, all 4 sides should touch, right. Even if little bit bigger one, if you do know, it will not fit inside, it will come outside of the circle. I hope you are getting. Now, you try solve. So, whatever you have to maximize, minimize, that you write, and then you just try to think that, right. Hello. Should I solve this one? Just see how to solve this question. So we have to, one circle is there, right? This is the circle. Inside the circle we have to fix a rectangle of maximum size. Let it be, this is the rectangle of maximum size. This information is given to you 4, right? This is x and this is y, correct? So if it is the case, what I will be writing, what is given to you? Radius of the sphere is given to you 2 unit, correct? So diameter will be how much? 4 unit. What relation we can establish as of now? Yes, it is a right angle triangle. This diameter will be forming a right angle triangle with x and y. So from here I can write x square plus y square. Pythagoras theorem I am applying is 4 square. From here y square, what you can write? 16 minus x square, correct? What we have to maximize, minimize is the area of the rectangle, correct? So area, how to calculate area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle will be, so here I will be writing area of the rectangle is nothing but x into y. So x into y, what you can write? 16 minus x square, root of that. Now this we should maximize, minimize. So let it be, this is your f of function, f of x. Differentiate it, f dash x will be x. What is the differentiation of this? 1 by 2 root x. Directly should I write? Power half, right? So directly you can write 1 by 2 root x. If root x is there, like this, 16 minus x square. What is the differentiation of inside? How many of you understood this root under? Correct? Yesterday I was writing root x is 1 by 2 root x plus this will be 16 minus x square into differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Now I should take LCM. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Minus x square plus this 2, if I will multiply, 16 minus x square it will be, correct? Upon root under 16 minus x square is equal to, I should put equal to 0, because critical point we are going to calculate, right? So from here what you will be getting, this denominator is 0. So minus of 2x square plus 16 is equal to 0. So how much it is? 2x square is equal to 16. So x square is what? 8. So x will be plus minus 2 root x. 2 value of x is possible, correct? But since it is a side, so plus 1 I will take. So x will be root 8. That is 2 root 2. So x is 2 root 2. So if x is 2 root 2, y you can calculate from here. How much it will be y? So if x is 2 root 2, y you calculate. So here I am calculating that x, if x is 2 root 2, y will be y square, or let me write like this, y is nothing but root under 16 minus x square. If you solve 16, 2 root 2 whole square, what it will be? 16 minus 8, because from 8 only it came, right? What is this then? Root 8. Oh, this is also 2 root 2. Means that rectangle should be, side should be equal. If rectangle side is equal, which kind of rectangle it is? Square it should be. Yes or no? So that rectangle which you are going to fit having maximum area is nothing but a square. Square means equal side of shape it should be. Is there? So what they are asking, what are the options it is given? Maximum value they are asking. Okay, area maximum value you calculate. How to calculate area maximum value? So square area is how much? X square? Yes or no? Area will be x into y, right? Or x into y you write, x into y. What is x then here? 2 root 2. What is y? 2 root 2. How much it will be? 2 2s are 4, root 2 and root 2 is 2, 8. 8 square unit will be the area, correct? So the maximum rectangle that you can fit inside a circle is nothing but a square. That is first observation. Why? Because sides should be equal first. Second thing, if they are asking what is the maximum side, so for this case maximum side will be 2 root 2. Next is what is maximum area, that it will be 8. I hope you understood. Right? It's very important type of questions. Word problem it is. After applying word problem, You have to solve maths and then you have to give the answer according to that. Is it clear? Understood everything of this question? If you have any confusion, please tell me. I will repeat once again. So, this is all about this maxima minima chapter. Now, we will move to the next chapter.